Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some air fryer gluten-free almond cake. This cake is so delicious and one of my favorite almond recipes. Let's jump right in. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Benna. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any healthy air fryer recipes I share every week. Thank you so much and let's jump right in. So here I have the ingredients for our almond pound cake. I'm just going to introduce them to you as we go along. So in this bowl I have my egg yolk. I just separated the yolk from the white. We are going to start first with the yolk, and to that I'm going to add my coconut sugar. Now I'm using 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use any sugar of your choosing. You can use any low calorie or any sugar that you prefer. I'm just going to go in with my mixer and I'll just mix it up. Next, I'll go in with coconut oil. I'm just using some organic, cold pressed coconut oil. Now, you can also use butter or you can use any oil of your choosing. I'm just going to add it into the sugar and the egg yolk, and I'll continue to mix this. Okay. And here I have our almond flour. Now I'm using the blanched almond flour, and to that I'm going to add my baking powder and my salt in there. I also have here some unsweetened shredded coconut. I'll add that to it as well. And I also have some lemon zest. I'm going to add that to it. Next, I'll just go in and I'll mix everything to combine properly. Next, I'm going to go in and I'll combine the wet and the dry ingredients. I'll mix this up to combine. So this is how our dough is looking at this point. In with our vanilla extract, and I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of almond milk, and I'll mix this properly to combine. Okay, and then I'll show you the next step. So this is how our dough is looking right now. I'm just going to set this to the side, and in the same bowl that I mixed my egg yolk and the sugar, I'm just going to add in the egg white, and I'm going to use my mixer one more time and just whisk until it becomes fluffy. Okay, so the egg white has been whisked properly. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just transfer it back into our dough like this, and I'll go ahead and mix it up properly until it is smooth. Okay, so this is a consistency. That's how it's looking, and it's been properly mixed. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it in a cake pan. I just went ahead and I greased it lightly with some coconut oil. You can also use butter or any oil to just grease your pan, and I'm just going to transfer our dough in there. Sliced almond right here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just top them up on a cake before we put it in the air fryer. Just like so. I'm just going to transfer it into the air fryer basket right here. Okay, I'll toss it in. And my air fryer comes with a preset button for cake, 300 degrees for 30 minutes. We are going to check after 15 minutes to see how it's doing. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. In air frying for 15 minutes. Now let's check to see how it's doing. This is how it's doing so far. Okay, I'm just going to go in with a toothpick, check to see how. The batter is still wet, so I'm just going to toss it back into the air fryer. But I'll check after 10 minutes and see how it's doing after 10 minutes. Our cake has been air frying for 10 more minutes. I'm just going to check and see how it's doing. This is how it's looking. I don't think it's going to cook for the entire 30 minutes. 25 minutes will be good. I'll just go in with my toothpick one more time. It looks dry, good. So I'll let it cool down and I'll show you how the cake looks like inside. Cake looks so fluffy on the inside. Smells so good. This is how it looks like. It is so crumbly on the inside. So so delicious. The coconut and lemon flavor, so good, so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you do get to try this gluten-free almond pound cake. Until I come your way next time with something healthy and delicious, please continue to drink lots of water. Be well, be safe. Thank you. Bye.